So take a look at this. This looks even more wild on video, but this stuff up here, this discoloration, and it's kind of flickering, but you can't see that as great in the video, I would say. It's not supposed to do that. The reason it's blue is because it blue screened last night for some sort of weird reason. And this has happened from time to time, hasn't happened in a long time, but this panel on this Inspiron Gaming 7000 has never been good. It's a 4K panel, and I think it's one of them TI or something like that, T1 panel or something. I don't know. But this has happened before, and I couldn't remember how to fix it until I was on YouTube, and I realized that I just have one of those things running, and let one of those things run that fix like dead pixels. So this is how this thing looks right now. But let me pull this back open. And this is literally what I've done in the past, is just leave this like this. And let's see if this fixes the problem this time. And here we are, probably 3 or so hours after the initial clip there. And in this video, it actually looks worse than what I'm seeing in real life. But I played that little video for a while and kind of fixed it. So rather annoying issue, but yeah, guess it kind of worked.